Hi, are you an Indian exporter looking to export fruits and vegetables out of India? Then this video is just for you. We at IndiaPort are bringing a new workshop based on complete export-import process in terms of fruit and vegetable. How this is divided. Firstly, we'll find out which products are getting exported, what are the growth pattern in these products, firstly in that case. Second, how to export it in terms of documentation. What are all the documentation you will require when it comes to exporting it? Third process is the seasonality of these products. Which season is best for which product and how to balance it out throughout the year. Fourth part is how to procure these products. Which city is famous for what? And then investment part. Let's say if you select banana in terms, if you want to export in that way, or you want to start with ginger export, there will be a vast difference in terms of investment and the risk part. So these are the major criterias. After that, how to do the sourcing, packaging, and then later on stage, how to do the marketing or how to find buyers. The complete cycle of export import in terms of fruits and vegetables we'll cover in 2 hours of this workshop where we'll be bringing people who do export import in terms of daily basis of fruits and vegetables. So please join us for this complete workshop and understand the complete cycle of export import of fruits and vegetables. Thank you.